CureLogix PACS server. CLPS is a comprehensive full-spectrum picture archiving and communication system. CLPS is an enterprise-level multi-site PACS server that is tailored to the market needs, starting from small-scale radiology facilities up to full-size tertiary care hospitals. In particular, CLPS is designed for seamless radiology operations in hospitals, clinics, and radiology centers. CLPS provides a one-stop radiology solution for hospitals through its integration with CureLogix Health Suite and provides multimodality coverage. Using the CLPS, a radiology center having multi-radiology sites can retrieve, search, and download all the radiology data from all the sites. CLPS is implemented using latest technologies such as React, HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, C++, and MySQL. CLPS also comes with a web-based plugin independent DICOM viewer, which provides advanced features such as multiplanar reformation and maximum intensity projection. CLPS is fully secured through implementation of CLHS user authentication and authorization framework for accessing radiology data. CLPS supports an unlimited user count to access the data, as well as an unlimited modality count to store patient imaging studies. Each imaging study can also be accessed remotely through CLPS. CLPS is also fully responsive and works on every kind of device. Now let's see CLPS in action. Here is the main screen after we log into CLPS. On this screen, you can see a list of studies that have been performed and search them using a variety of filtering parameters. Now let's open a study. Here is one full study with all of its frames, and we can interact with the study using user interface options available such as levels, zoom, stack scroll, pan, length, angle, annotate, reset, and 2D MPR. Thank you for watching this brief introduction of CLPS. To schedule a full product demo, please write us an email at info@curelogix.com. And for more information, please visit our website www.curelogix.com.